everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a clean and cook with me. I wanted to show you guys different footage than the previous clean with me's that I have been. We actually head upstairs, which is uncharted territory for us, mainly because we are lacking nice furniture up there. So pretty much all of the furniture that we have in our home have been hand-me-downs, or like just older furniture that we've had for a long time. When we purchased our home, our main priority was to get in the home, and we figured everything else can just wait until we could either DIY them or we can purchase brand new sets. We haven't figured out whether or not we want to DIY or whether or not we want to purchase. We just kind of figured we'd wing it. Here you see me just pulling off our sheets. I did cheat. The night before, Brian and I went ahead and put the new sheet over the mattress, and I just started to clean the comforter. So welcome to our tiny little laundry room. It's a complete disaster right now. We have so much laundry to do. I am just transferring our laundry into the dryer, and then I use OxiClean instead of bleach for our white comforter. Reason being is that I feel like bleach really damages the material, and I find that OxiClean works really well to get all of the sheets very white and bright without damaging. Haven't tried the Method laundry detergent, it's absolutely amazing. I love it. It smells so yummy. I use this in the combination with the OxiClean since OxiClean doesn't really have a scent. Once again, my bathroom is an absolute disaster. I have makeup everywhere. I've got my curling iron. I just started by clearing off the countertops so that I can wipe everything down and disinfect the countertops and clean out our sinks. This could take some time because I have an unnecessary amount of makeup that my husband always yells at me about. This spray actually has a recurring role on all of my cleaning videos. It's the Method antibacterial spray for bathrooms, and I'm just cleaning off our countertop. After that, I grab the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and I start cleaning off our sinks because I like them to be really white and clean and bright. And then after that, I take the Method antibacterial spray and I just spray everything down. I use it on the faucet as well as around the sink. I just really want to make sure that I disinfect everything. I've done all of that, I just bring back all of my items, and then I even dust the tops of the cases for my cotton swabs and my cotton balls. And I just little by little bring everything back, wipe them down, dust them off. Eventually I will have to do a deep clean of this little carrier here, but for time's sake I just did everything else. Honestly, I mean, it's Sunday, I had a very little time. I wanted to take advantage of the time that I had to clean as much as I could. Little mirror, get everything nice and pretty. See that hamper? It's really bad. We need to do so much laundry. All of that cleaning made me super hungry, so welcome to our cooking portion of the video. Today we decided to do sweet potato fries and turkey burgers for lunch. It's not really cooking, it's more like heating and prepping.
Recording? Oh, I didn't notice.
Out of here!
I didn't notice.
My husband is so freaking extra and he swears that I am. Anyways, these are the turkey burgers that we bought from Target, and that is what we're going to use for our patty. All we pretty much did for these burgers was cut up whatever vegetables we had in our fridge. We did tomatoes, and then eventually we did some red onions. We had some slices of cheese in the fridge, and what I didn't actually get a clip of in the video is that we put a ton of spinach on our burgers. So I inserted a picture of what it looked like once we had all of the toppings so that you all could see. So one thing I actually didn't show is after we made this lunch, I fell asleep and took a nap, and then eventually Brielle woke up and was ready for the world. So after my power nap, I got up and I started dusting this little table that we have here. All of these pictures we eventually plan to have up on the wall. We just haven't figured out how we want to do our entertainment center yet. So until then, they're just going to sit here all cluttered, collecting dust, unfortunately. And then here I am just polishing our table. This table has been in my family for, I believe, 18 years now. My mother bought it, and I have a really hard time letting it go. It's real wood, and I just feel like you can't find a lot of them anymore. It's really difficult to, at least. And it just has so much character, all the little nicks and you know, bumps on them. I don't know, I really love it. It's been with us through many moves. I can't really get rid of it. I don't know. Do you guys have any furniture like that? Let me know in the comments down below. Sexy man, sexy man. Sexy man. Just like in many of my other cleaning videos, you've seen me wipe down our fridge because again, we do have a 2-year-old. She touches everything. All of her fingerprints are way at the bottom and I just can't stand to look at them. Woke up, she had her chicken nuggets and her sweet potato fries right over here, and you can always tell when your child's done because once they're done they start to play with their food. They don't really eat it, but they just pick at it. But right after I took it away and she realized it was gone, all I can hear is, "Mommy, where's my french fries?" Guys, it's so dark. There you go. Okay, that right there is my husband's uniform. What we do, because he is a FedEx delivery driver, so he is usually dusty and dirty, and I don't like for his clothing to be in our bedroom in the hamper because it always ruins my work clothes. So he has his own designated hamper here in our laundry room. I know it's a disaster right now. But he leaves the uniform there so that the dust doesn't get everywhere. So, yeah. Something I wanted to share with you guys. This plant is actually 34 years old. Isn't that insane? My mother took care of it. Over time, she's actually kind of contained it so it doesn't get too big, but it has been in my family for a very long time. He's actually not doing so well right now throughout this winter, and I think it has a lot to do with the lack of sunlight we've been getting. And honestly, my house is very dim. At one point, my husband did overwater him. Murder. Just kidding. But he does need some nursing back to health. Brielle's not that gentle with him, so I'm really trying to get him back. Some of his leaves have dried out. The air in this home is really, really, really dry as well, so that's also unfortunate. So I've tried to come back and kind of spritz him with some water on the leaves. But right now I'm just kind of wiping off all of the dust on him. So you can see he collects dust. So I just have a wet wet paper towel. I'm just wiping it. I don't use tap water. I use clean water because the fluoride is really bad for this type of plant. I always forget the actual like name for it, but I think they call it a fortune plant, is what it's called. Just kind of drying out here. Any tips to get her back to health, that would be awesome. Actually didn't get any video footage of our room here. I pretty much finished doing all of our vacuuming and our cleaning in there. This is our super plush rug that Brian and I absolutely love. We bought it at Marshall's for like 35 bucks. It's super plush. I absolutely love it, and so does Brielle. She likes to roll around on it. She thinks it's so comfortable. But that's pretty much it for today. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Here are some new pictures and decor that I'm trying to put on our stairs. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video.